Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and syempre nandito pa rin tayo sa Singapore for another Singapore travel vlog. So for today's video guys, we are going to see Aquarium Singapore. And ito yung malaking aquarium guys na isa sa mga attractions here. And syempre lalayo pa ba tayo kung saan natin siya na-book. I booked the ticket guys via Klook. You can use my promo code Mark Paragas Klook. So syempre instant discount right from our accommodation guys. May bus stop dito na almost 5 minutes walk. And then ang bababaan natin is Vivo City, yung harbor front, and then sasakay ulit tayo ng Sentosa Express going to see Aquarium. So ito na guys, bus 100, and sobrang ito na yung bus. Sobrang amazing guys ng GCash card. You can use it tap in tap out. I think guys, nasabi ko na to sa previous vlogs natin na sobrang helpful ni Google Map, and Google Map will be your best friend kahit saan kayo magpunta. Dito guys, once na set nyo na yung destination nyo, pwede na siyang offline. Kahit i-airplane mode nyo na yung mga phones nyo para hindi mabilis pa-drain mga battery. At legit guys, na may tracker guide kayo at mag-notify yan kung malapit na ba ang bababaan ninyo. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa harbor front sa may Vivo City. So again, kung may mga kaibigan kayong gusto magpa-Vivo, dalhin nyo dito para bidang-bida sila. Charot lang. So akit ulit tayo sa pinakataas kung saan nandun yung kanilang Sentosa Express. And again, we are going to see Aquarium Singapore. And by the way guys, this Vivo City, yung harbor front, is a mall. Pwede kayong maggala-gala dito, and also doon sa taas meron siyang parang outdoor park, tapos merong ano doon, sila Donald Duck, parang may event. Mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito konti. Yung weather ngayon guys, hindi masyadong maganda, makulimlim, and I think baka umuulan mamaya-maya konti. So mas okay na yung mukhang umulan. Ito guys, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, parang outdoor park nila. Ayan o, may Donald Duck 90, welcome to the party. Marami kayo dyan pwedeng area para magpa-picture-picture. Mga ano, mga Disney characters. Sila Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, si Donald Duck. Yun lang yung kilala. Ito yung Sentosa Express guys na ticketing booth. Tapos yun naman yung entrance going to the express. Tapos may food court dito, Food Republic. Kumain tayo dyan nung galing tayo ng Universal Studios. Papakita ko na lang dito guys. In fairness naman, masarap yung noodles nila dyan. And dito rin, food court yan. Tapos ito lang siya. Tapos may mga area doon, pwede kayo maupo kung pagod na kayo. And then ayan, ang kanilang escalator. Grabe guys, itong CR nila sobrang bango. Mas pabango pa sa pabango ko. As in, ang bango. Kaloka. Diba, mga ano, na-overwhelm sa mga ganong simpleng ano lang experience. Anyway guys, I just want to let you know na itong pupuntahan natin na si Aquarium is the same station ng USS or Universal Studios. Nagkataon lang guys na kasi nung nagpunta tayo ng Universal Studios, nag-decide kasi talaga ako na magstay sana ng buong araw, kaya hindi natin in-add itong si Aquarium at nabook ko siya on a different date. Kaya ayun, kaya nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa Vivo City para mag-take ng Sentosa Express. And once you purchase a ticket guys for the Express, unlimited na yun ride. Unlimited ride na yun kahit saan kayo bumaba na station. Papakita ko ulit sa inyo kung ano yung mga station na meron dito at ano yung mga attractions per station. So ito yung Sentosa ticketing booth nila. And then since meron tayong GCash card, we can use it. And then hintay lang tayo ng train.
A few moments later.
May 7-Eleven dito. Just in case bago kayo pumasok ng USS, gusto nyong mag-chicha muna, bumili ng drinks, and so on. Ayun ang Sentosa Express. And now, just follow the signs guys. Hanapin lang natin kung saan ang way going to the Sea Aquarium. Technically guys, if you want to experience yung katulad ng Sea Aquarium, Universal Studios, tapos gusto nyo pang mag-Adventure Cove Water Park, pwede nyo na siyang gawin sa isang araw lang guys, lahat yon. Kasi nandito na, isang babaan nyo na lang kung gusto nyo makatipid ha. And by the way, ang conversion ng ating Sentosa Express ticket ay 173. And ang maganda pa kay GCash guys, since naka-link siya sa mga mobile phone niyo or mobile personal number, magpapadala na siya kung magkano yung conversion once you tap out. And ito guys, marami nagtatanong sa group, itong globe yung nakalagay Universal Studios, pwede kayong makaabot hanggang dito. Pwede kayong magpunta dito para magpa-picture, mag-video or whatsoever. Kasi ang Universal Studios may entrance siya mismo dito. Tapos gusto nyo rin magpasalubong, may mga merch din dito guys. Nandun yung locker, kung sa tayo nag-rent ng locker, meron dito merch na bumili tayo ng Minions. And then yan, may Reese, may Hershey's, mga chocolates. Tapos may ice cream shop. Ito yung globe again. Tapos may mga kainan dun sa likod. Tapos this way, going to aquarium. Kunti lang yung tao. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, bumili tayo sa Klook ng ticket. Yung instruction on how to use the ticket, check natin kung kailangan pa natin papalitan ng physical ticket. You can present your mobile ticket. Check natin kung ganun nga. And by the way guys, Sea Aquarium Singapore is open from 10 AM to 5 PM. That's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Thursday, and Friday. So Tuesday and Wednesday guys, close itong Sea Aquarium. Oh no, may Genshin Impact dito guys. Pwede kayong bumili ng ticket guys kung naglalaro kayo ng Genshin Impact. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung inclusions niyan. Siguro mga merch ng Genshin. Ay, kakatuwa. And i-check din natin guys kung ilang oras pwede nyo makonsume kapag gusto nyo libutan itong Sea Aquarium. Alright. You have ticket for Klook here. Alright, mga ano lang, basic details about the voucher na kinuha natin. Itong admission natin guys is on the specified date, katulad ngayon. Tapos children age 0 to 3 years old are free of charge. Look. Thank you. This is it. Ang gwapo nun, oh. Dito guys, sa sobrang daming tao, syempre kanya-kanyang spot. Ay nako, pag alam nyo tumatagal sa isang spot guys, go lang. Unahan nyo na or sumingit na kayo kasi syempre alam nyo ng mga tao, yung iba walang consideration. Ayan guys, you have the options na magpa-picture. You can post, smile, snap, syempre mahal yan. Oh, hi.
Yes, come.
No, I'm just alone.
It's okay, just for one. Yeah, I want to be photo for all of them.
Okay.
You can see the example if you want.
Where is it? Exit? Yes. Okay. So yun, o diba? Walang pilitan. So anyway, wala namang pilitan dito guys. So, nasa sa inyo kung gusto nyo kunin yung inyong picture. Excuse me, is this yours? Yeah. Diba? Nag-assist pa tayo. Katulad niyan guys. Kanina pa sila dyan. Ay nako. Unahan nyo. Si ate kanina pa. Nakausap natin mga isda. Charot lang. Katulad yun guys. Nagkakakumpulan sila. Siyempre, alam nyo na. Para magpicture. Tapos pag feeling nyo matagal na, makisuyo na kayo.
Joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great-grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace.
Dito guys, may maliit na aquarium. Allowed kayong magano, ilublob yung kamay ninyo. Basta make sure na you wash your hands first. Here. May mga starfish and parang meron mga Finding Nemo, Black Sea Cucumber.
Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it. I know I've got I know I've got you make friends all along the way to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice.
May pila dito guys kasi may parang event na kasama dun sa ticket. Pwede kayo mag-purchase ng merch ng Genshin Impact. Ayan, nakahaba ng pila. Ano to? Stamp. Grabe guys, so pila ng stamp. Uy, wala po kapan din sa'yo.
water. So this is the very big surprise I have for each and every one of you.
So bali may parang ano doon, talk about yung mga animals na nandun sa sobrang laking aquarium, and may mga scuba divers. And since halos andun sila lahat, ayan, wala masyadong tao dito. Sulitin natin. Dead end na pala to, guys. Parang yun lang ata.
More on the marine animals, let me hear your voices.
Yeah!
Very good. Everyone give yourself a big round of applause. And these two fins. And these two fins actually they have a name. If anybody knows what do you call a group of fish? Raise up your hand if you know. Raise up your hand. Okay, the little girl. What do you call a group of fish? Yes, you call them a school of fish. Please give her a big round of applause.
Yay!
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Topsy-turvy, wake up early, could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid, shoot me there. And when the world is burning all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the flames. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, loving till my heart.
And I think that's it, guys. Ito yung gusto tayo pumasok kanina. Ito yung may mga picture-picture. Ayan, may harang naman dito, so hindi kayo maliligaw. Just follow yung flow ng mga tao. And ito, ang gusto nyo mag-picture. Ayan, yung mga souvenirs. Hanapin nyo lang yung ano nyo, picture nyo dyan.
Just like a child, and knowing we don't care. And when the storm is raging all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the rain. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, loving till my...
Alright guys, so we are done here and exit this way. Sobrang ano guys, pambata siya. Tapos yung experience natin, ang pinaka-highlights na feel ko is yung mga jellyfish. Iba-ibang jellyfish guys, nakakatuwa. And you will spend siguro mga 1 to 2 hours if ever gusto nyong gusto nyong kumain. Pwede doon, tapos you can watch the show. Thank you, bye-bye. Yeah, you can watch the show, and I think 1 to 2 hours is enough to explore the area. Maliit lang siya guys. Syempre, nakapag-try na tayo ng ibang aquarium, di ba? Like Hong Kong Ocean Park. Pero sa Pilipinas, hindi pa tayo nakakapag-try na mag-ocean park. I-rate natin to for this attraction 7 out of 10. Sobrang liit lang. And syempre, kung may mga anak kayong kasama or you like mga sea animals, then try to go here guys. Lalo na kung nandito naman kayo sa Singapore, just check yung Sea Aquarium. And mas mura yung ticket sa Klook, syempre. Use my promo code Mark Faragas Klook for instant discount and up to 5 times use per account. So kasi parang inurasan ko siya, mga tayo, quarter to 1 pumasok sa loob, ngayon quarter to 2 na. So 1 hour lang, hindi naman tayo masyadong nanood ng ng show. So sobrang iksi lang ng vlog na to guys. And syempre, if you're here in Singapore, you might want to consider going here sa Sea Aquarium. Alright, so babalik na tayo guys sa Sentosa Express. And meron tayong next na pupuntahan, which is separate vlog na siya, separate video. Okay, so far kung na-enjoy nyo guys yung mga pinagagawa natin dito sa Singapore, huwag nyo naman kalimutang to like this video, share, and comment below kung may mga questions kayo. And syempre, subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin. You can also follow me on my other social media account, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And just enjoy life guys. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy every moment, lalo na kung mga nasa travel kayo. Enjoy every second, every minute, every hour. Okay, so syempre, don't forget to follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys on my next Singapore travel vlog. Mama, chup chup. Guwapo. May pahabol.